keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened. SEC Nigeria seeks tax exemption on corporate bonds to boost market liquidity. The Securities and Exchange Commission Nigeria has urged the federal government to consider its proposal to exempt corporate bonds from the payment of tax. The Director General of SEC, Lamido Uguda, said this on the 19th of August during a press briefing on the outcome of the second Capital Market Committee meeting for this year. The federal government had in 2012 exempted bonds and short-term government securities from income tax for 10 years, which recently expired on the 1st of January 2022. But speaking on the tax on corporate bonds, the SEC Director General said the decision to seek tax exemption would help to unlock the attractiveness of the corporate bond market. Australian government embarks on crypto stocktake ahead of sector regulation. Australia said on the 22nd of August it would do a virtual stocktake of the country's cryptocurrency holdings, the first signal from the new centre-left government that it plans to regulate the $1 trillion Australian dollars sector. Treasurer Jim Chalmers said that his department would undertake token mapping, or cataloguing the types and uses of digital currency owned within the country, as a first step to identifying which cryptocurrency assets to regulate, and how. Treasurer Jim Chalmers said that his department would undertake token mapping, or cataloguing the types and uses of digital currency owned within the country, as a first step to identifying which cryptocurrency assets to regulate, and how. Australia would be the first country in the world to conduct such an exercise, he added in a statement. SEBI to tighten norms for mutual fund chiefs. The Securities and Exchange Board of India may tighten regulations for mutual funds and alternative investment funds in its upcoming board meeting. The role of chief executive officers and managing directors of mutual funds may come under greater scrutiny. Mutual fund trustees as well as independent auditors or lawyers may be asked to review the performance of all MD CEOs. The chiefs will have to file undertakings declaring that the investments made by the fund house are kosher and do not violate existing guidelines. The US SEC sets its sights on mutual fund fees. Chances are mutual fund managers collectively shuddered when President Joe Biden chose Gary Gensler to chair the Securities and Exchange Commission. Gensler is the co-author of The Great Mutual Fund Trap, a book detailing fee abuses and conflicts of interest in the fund industry. In 2004, he testified before Congress that certain fund fees should be curtailed or abolished. Some of the industry's fears have been realized. This March, the SEC issued a report of its 2022 examination priorities for registered investment advisors and broker-dealers. Among the stated concerns were RIA's use of funds with 12B-1 marketing and distribution fees for clients. The SEC has also aggressively pursued some recent enforcement actions against RIAs related to such fees, and it's possible the regulator may ultimately eliminate the fee. We are pleased to announce that FIMM has refreshed its website along with a new contact number to serve you better. FIMM is looking for people who are exploring career opportunities. For those who are interested, send in your resume at career@fimm.com.my. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.